In this section, we will learn about the consequences of rising levels of greenhouse gases. People are worried about changing global climates. If we take Europe as an example, it has been estimated that winters are already almost 2 weeks shorter than they were 40 years ago. So yes, it's true, the climate is changing. So what are the consequences of the rising levels of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide? One consequence is the rising sea levels, which is a result of the melting ice caps and expansion of the warmer oceans. So the sea levels are rising, and this is due to melting ice caps. The melting of ice caps may cause the flooding of low-lying land and increased coastal erosion. Some islands could even disappear, and of course, this is a threat. Another effect is the increasingly common extreme weather events, such as more frequent and severe storms. Moreover, there are changes in the temperature and the amount, timing, and distribution of rainfall. So these changes in the temperatures and in rainfall have impacts on the food producing capacity of different regions. Scientists think that dry areas will get even drier and that monsoons in Asia will get heavier. So due to the changes in the amounts and timing of rainfall, some places will get less suited to growing crops, whereas other areas will become more suited. However, we can't be sure about the effects of the dramatic rises in temperatures in different regions. And finally, we have changes to the distribution of wildlife species. Actually, some species are becoming extinct. So these rapid changes in the global climate will put ecosystems around the world under stress. So mainly these are the consequences of the increasing levels of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide. First of all, we have rising sea levels. This may cause some islands to disappear. Another effect is that we are experiencing increasingly common extreme weather events such as more frequent and severe storms. Moreover, the changes in temperatures and the amount and timing of rainfall will affect the food producing capacity of different regions. And finally, there are changes to the distribution of wildlife species.